Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix the Instagram features missing problem. But before we get to that, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one, and also hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So now let's get started with the video. So first what you'll do is you'll go to the Instagram app. Now if you have some features missing that everybody else is using and you don't have, most probably you have an old phone and an old app. So if you have really older phone, the newer features are more created to support the newer phones, and Instagram can only update its app up to some region, up to some point for older phones, for the older OS. So if you have a really outdated older phone like an iPhone 4S or 5S, you will not be able to use these newer features. Another thing you can do is you open the Play Store and you search for Instagram and make sure that you are in an updated version of the app. And so you can update the app if you have an update coming up to make sure that the features load in your app. And if this does not work out for you, please make sure that the features that you're looking for are now available in your region. So Instagram really rolls out updates and new features very slowly at different rates in different regions. So make sure that the region you're in has this Instagram feature already loaded or already available. And if none of that works for you, I recommend you report a problem to Instagram and see if it's only you that's not working in. So if you go to Instagram, you'll go to your profile, you'll go to triple horizontal bars, you click on settings, then click on help and report a problem. And so you click on report a problem, and here you will explain what the feature is missing, and you'll click to submit. Instagram will get back to you, and this might help solve your problem. So this is all you can do to solve your missing features, guys. I hope this video is of help to you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.